Hi, we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this mini album using Doodlebug's winter papers. It's from a couple of different collections. Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you what I made using a Doodlebug collection. Well, several. Mostly I used Snow Much Fun, but I also had some miscellaneous papers that just were winter collection. For instance, this cover page was from another collection, and I don't even know which one it was, but most everything sort of matched from the Snow Much Fun. So this is a tutorial showing you all of the pages. There is another video that's going to be the walkthrough. This album measures 6 inches by 5, and it's got a 2-inch spine. And as you can see, the pages are put in using elastic. Let me move these out of the way because they're going to move and show you everything. So first of all, you see the cover. It's some of these items are popped up. This is dimensional, and so is this. And the little bird was a doodle pop, so he just is a nice little accompaniment to the penguin. I did stitch on the paper just to add a little extra detailing, and then this little scallop is a sticker. And then as you can see, I did use an elastic binding method, and I do show you how to do that in the tutorial. So the back cover looks the same as the front cover. It's pretty easy to put together, and the fact that it's got that elastic makes it super simple. You don't have to worry about a hinge. So inside, and as you saw, there was 4 different signatures, so each signature has 2 pages, so front and back that adds 4 pages, so you get 16 pages to this mini album. It really packs a punch. There are photo mats on a lot of the pages, and they're small. It's not for 4x6 photos. The pages are actually 4 3/4 by 5 1/2, so you wouldn't be able to put a 4x6 photo. But if you have a Instax or can cut down your pictures, this is perfect. So we continued the pink theme from the pink on the cover to the inside, and we've got a little tag with one of the little cute Yetis. He's got a little heart there. It says hello friend, and then we've got this little photo mat. This is vellum on top of the paper, and we've got this gal on her little snowmobile, and we've got the gal on her little snowmobile, and a little snowflake in the corner. You can see there are some pink pom-pom ribbon trims on that page. This page opens up like this, so you could add some journaling here or another little photo. This is actually a little belly band with the cute little hot cocoa or coffee cups, and this comes out. It just sort of sits here into this little rest spot. This gal is on her skis, and she gives you room for a good size photo there. And like I said, this is still the first signature. This paper came in a little collection, and I thought it went really great with the kit. This says warm and cozy, and again, you can't see the dimension. This is popped up, and so are some of the mittens and the hats. This is open, so if you were to have a photo, you could stick that photo right there. You could stick it in on the top and on the side and put it right there. This page, this turns, and then this comes open. These guys are popped up, and so are the snowflakes. And then that gives you just a spot for journaling. You might want to write things you've done during that winter or whatever you want to do. Here, this is open. We've got these 2 tags, one on top of each other. The bottom one is stationary, but this one has a little movement to it, but it still gives you room to put a good size photo. This little girl on her sled, this opens up, so you can put 2 pictures right there. And then on this page, this one will open like that, and this affords you a little tuck spot where it says Snow Happy Together. These guys on the sled, it says time to bundle up. I don't know if you can see the film. It sort of softens everything. And then there's a nice little photo mat there. These guys are on their gondola. I like the the monochromatic page there. And just a little sticker on top. You could add a photo on top of here or just put the photo on the back. This is one of the stickers from the sticker sheet. I thought it was a lot of fun. It's sort of tone on tone. It's not in your face. Here's another page that this will open, so you can put a 4x4 or two 4x4 photos right there. We have a little bird sitting there. And then there's room to put a 3.5x4 photo here. You could cover this up or just tuck it in here and then just take the photo out if you want to see that. This page has just a little clip, and then this will open like that, and that will open like that. So you have room to put three 3x4 photos. And then that clip will stay in and hold it. We've got these little houses that make a nice little tuck spot. You could add a couple different photos to here, but go ahead and put your photos in there. And then here, snowman's over to the side, a little journaling card that you could also add a photo to. And on the back page is just a pocket with a couple of pieces in there, but you can add a bunch of photos there. Back cover, as we saw, is like that. So that's it. It's a pretty cute little album. I did, again, use Doodlebug Snow Much Fun for the most part, and this paper and this paper came from other collections from Doodlebug. So that is what I have to show you today. The link to the tutorials in the description box. That's what I have. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.